Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. After more than a year of operating under COVID-19 restrictions, CEO of Main Event Entertainment Group Solomon Sharp is admitting that online events aren't economically sustainable for his business. Now, Mr. Sharp was speaking at Mayberry's Investor Forum recently. As COVID-19 wreaks havoc across the world, event planners have been forced to conceptualize new ways to host meetings, conferences, and parties. Gatherings that used to look like this have transformed into this. It's the same virtual transition which has been rocking the entertainment sector. CEO of Main Event, Solomon Sharp, now disclosing that the online solution isn't economical for his company.
It's not a great money-making thing. And it doesn't 100% work for our clients because, when can you do these things? So even for us, when we're doing certain online forums, we're even restricted because we're then going to have to move around after. But it did well for us.
He argues that virtual events were useful at the start of the pandemic, but he notes that the online model cannot deliver the kind of results needed to revive the economy.
It has worked good for us to keep us alive, but it's not going to build an economy. It's not something that is going to boom a business. So we are unique. We have good outdoor spaces that are safe, right? And we need to really understand Jamaica. The vitamin D, the good old sunshine there, I think is what has made Jamaica a lot stronger, and the Jamaicans a lot stronger to be able to withstand this whole COVID thing. So I think, Chris, it's time for us to get moving.
He says his company is committed to displaying how the return to public gathering events can be done safely.
And just like Cayman Park, we're willing to come in, we'll be a case study, and we can help them to have certain events there. We have a lot of green space and it doesn't disturb the neighbors, and we can show you how to put something on.
In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $149.62. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.71. The pound is going for $211.96, while the euro closed at $184.09. And the JSE index lost 210 points today, while the junior market index declined 18 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Berger Paints, Stationery and Office Supplies, Lasco Financial Services, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. Now on the losing side were KLE Group, iCreate, Blue Power Group, Access Financial Services, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.